Hi friends, and how are you doing today? You can be in Dubai, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or in any other part of the world. It can be Singapore, European countries, and more. This video is only for you. Residing in different parts of the world, you need to prepare and appear for the IELTS exam, but you are a little confused at how you practice for the IELTS exam. Well, the answer is Raman IELTS coaching. Reach us and we are going to help you. We are now providing online training 24/7. That means you choose any hour, any time of the day, and we are there to help you. The fact is that living in different time zones, you hesitate to approach whether we be providing you the service as per your timing or not. So 24/7 ensures no matter which time zone you are in, we are there for you. Our training is completely one-on-one. That means at a given time, one trainer teaches one student only, and we give you the flexibility of the choice of time. You choose any time of the day. For example, 2 p.m. that is the afternoon time in Canada would be kind of 2 a.m. or maybe 3 a.m. in India, depending, because Canada also has 4 or 5 different time zones. Now, if you join us for this, that means it hardly matters to you that which time you are choosing. We are there to help you, because even at 3 a.m. we can arrange a trainer for you. That's the beauty of our training. One-on-one training ensures that we identify your weaknesses and strengths straight away, and without wasting time we start working on improvement. We offer you the sessions in which a live trainer is there to check your writings, to take your speaking interviews, to have discussions of your reading and everything. So this way, right from day one itself, you start improving. Nothing can be better than the service of one-on-one live training that you can avail sitting at your home in the country you are in your time zone, and there would be a trainer to teach you. It is more like homeschooling when trainer comes to your place to teach you, and similar is going to be here. If you join us, a trainer would be available at your preferred time. So don't hesitate, no matter you are in which part of the world. If you are looking for IELTS training, we are there for you. Thanks for watching the video, my dear friends. If you like the video, please hit the like button and leave some comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.